How does this new UPA 08 converter make the tool run outdoors? Let's take a look. The first step is to connect the battery and the converter. The second step is to connect the tool and the converter interface with the conversion wire. And the third step is to press the converter and the tool switch. At this time, the angle grinder has been powered on and can run. The electric mill is also used in the same steps. The difference is that the electric mill can also perform works such as planing and rust removal by replacing the grinding head. The converter can also add a cigarette lighter connector, allowing the car vacuum cleaner to run through the converter's link to the battery and tools. This converter can not only save you high gasoline costs, but also broaden the use range of your existing Dewalt batteries, which is efficient and energy saving, but also facilitates your life. It is really a good innovative tool.